Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 35, we can put into 36 minus 1. About number 12, that's about 2 multiplied by number 6. So we know that 36 is about 6 to the power of 2. So in here, we can change this one into s plus 6, everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 6 equal to secant of t. Because if I put secant of t go in here, you got about secant of t square minus 1. We change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the s. Because we still have s, so we put number 6 go to the right. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about the s equal to secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one to change for s. This one we change for secant of t. The s we change for this one. This one we change for tan t square. This one we simplify tan t and tan t. Now we need to expand this one. So we change secant of t into 1 over cosine t, and this one we change for sine t over cosine t. So we simplify cosine t. Now we have this one divided by sine t, this one divided by sine t, and this one divided by sine t. And now we will got a new one. We know that secant of t square we change for 1 over cosine t square. Secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t. And this one we change for 36 cosecant of t. So about number 1, we can put about sine t square plus cosine t square. Similar for this one, we can put about sine t square plus cosine t square. So sine t square divided by sine t, cosine t square divided by cosine t square. Similar this one, sine t square divided by sine t, cosine t square divided by cosine t. And now we will got about these fractions in here. The first one is about sine t over cosine t square. The next one is about 1 over sine t. This one you got about sine t over cosine t. Next you got about cosine t over sine t. And we know that 1 over sine t, that's about cosecant of t. Now we have cosecant of t and cosecant of t. We sum together and you got about 37. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to cosine t dz. You got about negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to dz. So this one we change for z square sine t dt. You got about negative dz. The integral of this one you got about 1 over z plus c. About z, that's about cosine t. Now we can get the final answer. The integral of this one you got about 1 over cosine t. The integral of this one you got about negative. So because we have another negative, you got about positive number 12. Ln of the absolute value of cosine t. This one you got about ln of the absolute value of sine t. This one you got about negative 37. Ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. And we put about c. About t, we need to return back to this one. So we got about t equal to arcsecant of x plus 6. So we put this one to replace for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question.